In this video tutorial, we will show you how to edit multiple ID photos at once using Passport Photo Maker. To upload several photos at once, hit the Batch Processing button and select the needed files. If you want to remove some pictures from the batch, click the cross icon. To load more images, hit Add Photos. Then select the desired country and ID type from the drop-down menus. You can find templates for various documents, such as a driving license, pass card, visa, and more. After you have selected the ID type, click Next to see the result. The images are automatically cropped according to official specifications. Let's adjust the paper size and number of photos. You can also change the crop marks, set the horizontal and vertical spacing values, and add your logo. If you want to choose one of the built-in print layouts, click Select Template. Your photos are ready for printing. This is it. Now you can prepare a group of ID photos at once. Download Passport Photo Maker and make photos for various documents in a few clicks.